Hello, my beauties. Welcome back to my channel. When you are experiencing an unintended weight loss, or you just need to add some more flesh and gain extra pounds, this smoothie is the best answer. This smoothie is packed with enough vitamins and minerals to provide enough calorie to get an extra boost of nutrients. Our first ingredient is banana. Banana is our first ingredient because it's a great high calorie option. There are around 100 calories in a medium sized banana, and it will also make our smoothie creamy and tasty. So we are going to be using 4 bananas. So you wash them clean and pieces them. The second option is avocado. Avocado reigns as the highest calorie option here, and they are very high in heart healthy fats. I'm sure you already know this. Mine is so ripe, and I'll wash it and also remove the inside. The next option is half apple. We all know apple to be for weight loss, but apple are rich in fiber, which promotes fullness and therefore controls weight. This is optional, but apple adds taste. I love apple flavor, so I want this apple to add flavor to our smoothie and make it worth taking always. So our next option is yogurt. Yogurt provides enough protein and nutrients for you, makes you full. So half cup of yogurt will be just enough for this smoothie. After you're done shredding all your ingredients and add your yogurt, you put in all of it to your blender and blend it well. After you're done blending, you pour this into your glass and enjoy a full glass of nutrients. This smoothie is best taken before bedtime or first thing in the morning before meal.